In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a Noir-Style AI video with Seedance 2.5. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. This is a platform where you can create AI videos, and actually, the best part is that you can try it for just $1 and do videos without watermark. So once you have created an account, you will arrive here, and here you need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we need to choose the model Seedance 2.5. Now, in the duration, you could use up to 30 seconds, and in the aspect ratio, if you want a horizontal video, you can use the 16:9 aspect ratio, but I want the video to be vertical, so I'm going to use this one. So now here, if you want, you can upload images, audios, and videos of reference, but I'm going to go here and use only a prompt. So the prompt that we're going to use is this one, and this prompt will be in the comment section. So if you want, you can copy paste the prompt, you can do any modifications. Actually, the important section of this prompt is this one. Here is where I say to the AI the style of the video, and all this other section, you can erase it if you want and describe another video. So now let's put this back, and now we have to click here. Now click in generate, and now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it. And there we have it. I really like it, the video. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt will be in the comment section, and remember that you can try this platform for $1 for 3 days. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.